What's up, everybody? I am back with an unboxing and a quick little review about this company. For all you guys out there that are tattoo artists and that tattoo every day and need to take good quality photos of your tattoos, this is something that you need. Alright, let's open this baby up. Should have just got my knife. So, put some gloves on. Why not? Let's make it a habit. Since this is a channel for tattoo equipment reviews and related products, okay, so, ooh, look at that. So this is a company called Pro, and they make professional photography kits for mobile phones, iPhones, and I'm not sure if they do Samsungs or LGs stuff. I'm not 100% sure on which mobile phones they do, but I know that they do iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. They have these cases and stuff available for the iPhone XS, XS Max, and you guys can go on their website. I'll have a link in the description for their products. So what do you get? Literally, you get a case. Okay? And this case has the ability to attach different filters, lenses, variable ND filters, and you can do quite a lot with this product. So let's read the description on the back of this box, and you guys can kind of understand what this company does. This is called the LiteChaser Pro from the Pro company, and it is an iPhone 11 Pro case. So it says, we built the LiteChaser Pro case as the backbone of our minimalist photo and video system. The case features a metal mounting system for our circular polarizer and variable ND filters, as well as a low-profile channel for our adjustable grip. This is the grip. Bro, this literally turns your phone into like a professional camera almost. It's crazy. Built for the iPhone 11 Pro, it has a minimalist design. It's compact enough to fit on most gimbals. Robust enough for strong protection. It's a backbone of the LiteChaser Pro system. It's got a dual material construction, features a soft rubber interior and reinforced skeleton. So, let's open it up. Now, of course, I'm recording this on my iPhone right now, so I'm not going to be able to actually put this on, but I can show you guys the case. Okay. You get some kind of little insert. I think this is just that. So this piece here that you see, you're literally capable of attaching all the different types of filters. You can get step-up rings. You can attach lenses to it. You can use it with the Dream Grip system. And it's half the price of the smart photo case. Okay? The smart photo case ain't that smart. Sorry, smart photo case. but this company here gives you some amazing quality filters. Look how the packaging comes for that circular polarizer right there. Literally, you get it in a little compartment that it's protected in, and then you open it up and it has a rubberized protection on it itself, and then you can remove that, and there's that. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. This company is all about quality. So pretty much what you do with these is you take whatever filter you're using and it snaps right on. You got these little holes on the back of there. You have the little attachment ridges, and once you find where they go, you rotate it, lock it in place, and there you go. You're all set and ready to go, and you can literally use this, you know, to take some awesome non-glare photos, which is pretty much what we're all striving for in tattooing. We want photos that are clean, don't have any glare. And even if, you know, you're a mobile photographer and you take photos of other products, this system is absolutely amazing. So this is the grip that comes for this case. And this grip literally snaps onto this rail system here. It has a little pull-out right there. And boom. And now, check that out. That is dope. Okay? Literally, that's just, what? That's sick. So now I can take one of my lights and I can throw it onto here. Show you how we can do that. Pretty simple process. You have these little attachments that you can buy. They're sold through Dream Grip. You can also find them on Amazon. Okay. Throw that on there. And there you have literally a linear polarized light, because I have linear film on here. These lights are sold through Dream Grip. You can turn the light on, you can adjust the brightness, and you can do your full line of polarization, as well as adjusting your circular polarizer, and you'll get the most awesome photos, guys. Like, awesome, amazing. This product for 125 bucks. I mean, seriously, like, how can you go wrong with something like this? You can even attach it to a tripod. You can adjust where you want this grip system to be at. You can remove it, you can put it up here. There's a bunch of different locations if you like it like that, if you need whatever you're using, if you're using a microphone. It's just perfect. It's so simple to use. The case is great. I mean, yeah, it doesn't have a built-in light, but honestly, come on, man. This company's been around for a while. They have a huge following. They make products for DSLR systems and other products for the photography industry, for the video industry. They know what they're doing, and this is a company that I trust, and a company that I support, and I very highly recommend it. So guys, if you like this video, you also get a little cloth to keep your filters clean. And when you're not using that circular polarizer, I was about to end this video, but then I decided, oh, why not? Let's do some more. You can throw the cover on, and that protects your filter as well as your camera lenses. And if you want to take a photo without the filter, sure, why not? Let's just pop the filter off. And there you go. Easy as that. Store your filter right back in the little case that it comes in. Throw it in your pocket. You're ready to go. You can get variable ND filters, like I said. Those are great for doing video. And yo, I recommend this case to everybody. This thing is awesome. Anyway, guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Throw me a thumbs up. Shoot me a like. I'll have more reviews coming up. I got this mummy pen I'm going to be reviewing soon. This one's a little banger as well. Alright. I like that packaging. There you go. And that's the LiteChaser Pro. Have a good one, yo.